If you are looking for a side job that requires less brain work, you can certainly earn money up to $400 per day just by typing online. Typing is the most basic skill any person who owns a computer can learn. It has the simplest learning curve because the more you practice, the better your skill gets. It's just a matter of consistency. So if you think you're good at typing and enjoy doing it, this video will help you make a living out of it. These typing jobs require you to only have a computer with an acceptable internet connection speed. That's it. No complicated software, hardware, nothing of that sort. Since we always care about your earnings, we have prepared a list of 5 sites to double your daily earnings and make a living out of it. Now, here are 5 websites where you can get paid for your typing skills. 2captcha.com is the first website on our list. 2captcha allows users to earn online in the easiest way possible. The company pays its users to solve a CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA-solving jobs are the easiest typing jobs you can come across. The only downside is you get paid way less than other jobs. The amount of money you earn depends on how many CAPTCHAs you can solve. CAPTCHA-solving work is low pay, and users usually earn about 20 to 80 cents per hour. It's not much, but it's good pocket money. Working on this website is quite easy. Just create your account and verify it. Once that's done, click on Start Work, and the system will start showing you multiple images with text. Users will simply have to type the text on the forms provided. It's as easy as that. The best part about this job is that you don't have to have a specific time to work. There are jobs available 24/7, so users can have a flexible schedule and work whenever they want to. Doesn't get better than that, does it? 2captcha pays through Bitcoin, Payza, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and Add Cash. As soon as your earnings reach 50 cents, you can withdraw your amount. The second website on our list goes to TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe is an online transcription service provider that converts audio/video files into text. Users earn by typing audio files into text. So if you are looking for some part-time work, TranscribeMe provides a good opportunity to earn money on the side. To get started, you have to make a profile, and you have to pass an exam to make sure you know the work. Once that's done, you can apply to transcription jobs in different categories. Remember, you have to be fluent in English to apply here. TranscribeMe pays its users through PayPal. The pay rate is $20 per hour on average. Let's take a break now, guys. Before we continue with the next 3 websites, please click on the like button to reach a larger audience interested in earning money online. And please leave a comment to share with us your feedback about this video. And we will be honored to solve any issue to ensure that you are earning and making comfortably your first bucks online. Thank you so much for your support. Let's continue our video and discover together the other 3 amazing websites. Rev.com is the third website on our list for today. Rev is a transcription company that provides services for transcription, captioning, and foreign subtitles. Users can make money by typing captions for YouTube videos, transcribing audio files, and more. So if you are fluent in English and a fast typist, working with Rev is the best way forward. The best part about working for Rev is that there are always work opportunities enlisted there. There are literally hundreds of projects uploaded every day. So even if transcribing isn't your cup of tea, you can always opt for captioning small videos. The good news is that there's no schedule you have to follow. You can work for as little or as much as you want. Rev pays its users through PayPal. Freelancers get paid between 0.36 to 0.75 cents per audio or video minute. They pay on a weekly basis. Upwork.com is one of the best portals for freelancers and employers all over the world. It allows employers to connect with freelance job seekers to get their jobs done and pay a fixed or hourly amount once the job is successfully completed. Upwork allows users to search for a wide range of online jobs, including typing. There are multiple job types when it comes to typing, copy typing being one of them. Copy typing is a skill that requires users to fast type text from any source that they read from. Upwork has multiple job opportunities for such work. Employers post their copy typing projects on Upwork, and freelancers can apply for those projects by bidding on them. So if you are a fast typist, this is the best place to start. Upwork pays its freelancers through PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfer. The last website on our list for today's video is Freelancer.com. Freelancer is an ultimate freelancing portal with over 900 job categories to choose from. The online platform boasts over 30 million users. How it works is that a client creates a job with specifications and posts it on the platform. Freelancers bid on the job and the client selects the freelancer they want to give the job to. Once you get the job done, the client checks the work and pays you. Luckily for you, there are tons of online typing jobs available at Freelancer.com. All you need to do is create your freelance account and start applying for those jobs. Freelancer pays its workers through multiple payment gateways, including PayPal, Express Withdrawal, Skrill, Payoneer, and International Wire. These websites provide users with the best way to benefit from their typing skills. Some of these websites also have an online typing test for selecting the best and the fastest typists. To get these online typing opportunities, you need to be proficient and fast. The competition is tougher than ever. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.